Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of replacing the thermal paste on your HP Pavilion 15BC450NS, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber cloth, and of course, high-quality thermal paste. Make sure to prepare your workspace by ensuring it's clean and static-free. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your laptop. There are typically around 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take them out and place them in a safe spot. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the bottom panel off. Be cautious as there may be clips holding it in place. If you feel any resistance, check for any screws you've missed. After successfully removing the panel, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the CPU and GPU, which are usually covered by a heatsink. Carefully unscrew the heatsink using your Phillips screwdriver. As you remove it, be mindful of the thermal paste that may still be present. Once the heatsink is off, you can see the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. To clean this off, use the isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Gently wipe the surfaces until they are free of any residue. With the old thermal paste cleaned, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Apply a small pea-sized amount directly onto the center of the CPU and GPU. When you reattach the heatsink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. This is a crucial step, as too much paste can lead to overheating, while too little may not provide adequate coverage. After applying the thermal paste, carefully screw the heatsink back into place, ensuring it's secured tightly but not overly so, as this can damage the components. Next, replace the bottom panel by aligning it correctly and pressing it down until it snaps into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, making sure they are all accounted for. Finally, if you don't feel comfortable performing this procedure yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, you can take advantage of our pickup and delivery at your home service, so no calls and no travel are necessary. You'll receive a quote before any repair is made, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is doing its job effectively. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Keeping your laptop well maintained will enhance its lifespan and performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.